Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a Gimp tutorial on how to remove background with fuzzy select. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is when you come up to the top left side of your screen, you'll see your toolbox. From there, you can just select fuzzy select. And then what this does is when you draw with it, it'll try to get all the things that kind of look at it. This isn't necessarily the best picture to kind of do this with, but as you see, it kind of selected all the greens. So now I could press cut, and as you see, it attempted to go ahead and delete that entire background. So okay, that time it did a little bit too much, but you kind of get the gist there. It just essentially grabs everything that's kind of similar with it, and you can draw with it, and it just fuzzy selects. It makes everything fuzzy, is where the name comes from. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.